keep the outside of your house in check. Have you heard of basic property maintenance codes? These are the codes that outline living necessities that are in place to keep you and your loved ones safe inside and outside a home. Let's see what that looks like for the space you call home. Whether you live in a rental home like an apartment or duplex or a house, there are basic necessities a home must have to be considered a safe space. Let's talk about the outside of the home. Starting from the top of the house, the roof. Is anything missing? Are shingles in place? Are there leaks in the rain gutters or downspouts? Making our way downward. If your home has a stairway, are the steps secure? Check for trip hazards and an appropriate step height on the stairs. Are the handrails and guardrails cracked, loose, missing, or spaced too wide that can cause an accident? If your home has a balcony, deck, porch, patio, or landing, are the walking surfaces smooth and undamaged? Are the support systems anchored and functional? Does it feel safe to step on? Now check the walls of the home. Are the walls damaged with visible holes or cracks wider than 1 inch? Are the outdoor walls protected from the elements outside? Check the fences, the sidewalks, and parking areas. Are there any trip hazards or uneven walking surfaces? If you are standing outside of your home, can you spot any exposed or broken wires? How about any plumbing issues, like the backflow or leaking pipes? Lastly, is there any trash and rubbish around the property, overflowing dumpsters? How about old furniture, tires, or junk outside of the dumpster? And there you have it, folks. Those are some of the basic outdoor property maintenance necessities to live in a safe home environment. If you spot an unsafe condition in your home and you live in a rental property, inform your landlord or property representative. For unaddressed concerns, contact Austin 311.